Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the I/O board from a Dell Latitude E5540. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide tabs outward to release and remove battery. Now unscrew and remove base cover. Now remove bottom keyboard trim screw. Then use fingers to pry apart and remove keyboard trim. Now unscrew and turn over keyboard. Then disconnect and remove keyboard. Then separate clips and remove memory. Next, unscrew and slide out DVD drive. Then unscrew and remove hard drive. Then unscrew and remove hard drive cage. Now unscrew and remove hinge covers. Then unscrew and disconnect palmrest. Now use fingers to pry apart and remove palmrest. Then disconnect volume button cable. Now unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove express card cage. Next, unscrew bracket and disconnect display cable. Then disconnect motherboard cables. Then disconnect circuit board cable. Now unscrew and remove motherboard. Now unscrew and lift right hinge. Now unscrew and remove input-output circuit board. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.